Hello everyone. In this video, we will very shortly discuss about one of the very confusing line of NCERT Biology class 12. The line belong to the chapter 1, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plant, and the line belong to the topic wind pollination. And the line says the tassels you see are nothing but the stigma and style which wave in the wind to trap the pollen grains. So this is the line. And the main confusion is about the term, that is the tassels. So from this line, as per the NCERT, they are clearly referring to the female part, as we know that stigma and style are the parts of the female reproductive part of a flower, right? But according to the standard botany, here I believe that there is a clash between the standard botany and the English linguistic point of view, vocabulary, English vocabulary. So what is the clash? According to the standard botany, the tassel refer to the male part, the male inflorescence of the maize plant or the corn plant. And I have the tassel with me. This is the male inflorescence or the male part of the maize plant that is usually born at the top of the maize plant. So this is the tassel according to the standard botanical concepts. But NCERT is referring it as the female part, the way it is expressing. Now, how the NCERT can defend, or how we can defend this line or concept? As NCERT is saying a term, that is corn cob. We all eat the maize grains. When we eat the maize grains, there is a stalk or core on which the grains are attached. That is the corn cob. So I think they are saying about the tassels attached to the corn cob. Now what is a tassel from the English vocabulary point of view? So I have a ornament or a structure that is called the tassel. Here you see this is the tassel according to the English vocabulary point of view. Now if we compare this structure with the female part of the maize plant, the female inflorescence of the male plant, there is a similarity. Now I will show you the female inflorescence of the maize plant. Here you can see this is the corn cob I am holding, on which the seed are being attached. It is still in the developing mode. These are the maize grains or seed kernel, we can see white colored, and this is the structure. It looks like the tassel. We can compare with the tassel. See, we can compare with the tassel. So I believe that here the tassel word NCERT is using from English linguistic point of view, a vocabulary they are using. So they are saying the tassels you see are nothing but the stigma and style, and their function is to trap the pollen grains. And we know that one of the most important feature of the wind pollinated flower is they have the feathery stigma. They have feathery stigma so that they can easily trap the pollen grain coming through the wind. So in this way we can defend this NCERT line. So there is a small clash, I believe, in between the standard botany and English vocabulary. So they are using, NCERT is using, that's what I believe, that they are using it from the point of view of English language vocabulary point of view.